That's right. So, Will, what are we doing?
We're filling up a drum for...
Yeah, but why? So what are we doing? What are you doing? What are we doing?
We are making...
So I have to speak to him?
We're making hand sanitizer.
We are, okay. And where are we?
We are here in Old Bakery Gin HQ. We're filling up our drums.
And George, is he doing it properly?
He is now.
And George, what have you got in your hand?
Thermal imaging camera.
Yeah, thermal imaging camera.
To make sure the water's the right temperature.
Yeah, and why are we having to use a sort of like 10 grand thermal imaging camera?
Because Will forgot to bring the thermometer.
No, he didn't forget to bring one because we had about 6 here.
Yeah, they were lost,
broken, or
stolen.
And who
gets
and who sort of fault was it?
Naturally.
Whoa.
So we're using a thermal imaging camera. So all joking apart. So what are we actually doing at the moment? So obviously it looks like you're filling up a bucket. So just give us a very brief overview of what you're both about to do. George, coming into the camera. George, you're out of shot, so come in.
Putting 21 litres of water in. Then we've got our
Is it 21 litres or 30 litres?
21 litres at 30 degrees.
Okay.
That's it. And then we've got
or something.
7 bags of glucose powder ready to go.
Okay. So we're gonna mix up. Why are we using glucose?
It gives a much cleaner alcohol than sort of conventional sugar.
So are we really worried about the flavour in this?
No, we're not going to be drinking it. We won't be drinking it.
But are we using an inferior product? That is
That's
the best.
It's
the best. So once we're going to allow we've got loads of these that we've got to do. So once we've allowed the process to take force in the barrels, we then put it in our stills. What sort of temperature are we going to try and distill at?
About 60%. Or 60 degrees, sorry.
60%. You happy with that, George?
Yes, anything 60 or above.
Yeah, it'll kill all the germs. So, right, good luck. So, did you manage to get the right temperature with the thermal imaging camera?
Yeah, took 10 grand bit of kit to do a £3 job.
And whose fault is it? Just so we're clear, so that the viewers know exactly what's going on. It's always Will's fault. Right.